Okay guys, I'm doing a second update on this battery, but first I'm going to show you guys my setup, solar setup here. This is the inverter display. That's the main panel. The sub panel is up there. This is the junction box where everything meet up, and that's my inverter and my charge controller. Anyway, back to the battery. Yeah, the battery wasn't enough to run my system. I had to bring back the lithium ion, so I wired them in parallel. And there was a few surprises with this battery pack. When it went into low voltage, it didn't switch over to the inverter like the lithium. It just went dead. I'm not sure if that's the way supercapacitor work, or maybe there was a setting, but when it got the voltage got low, it just went off like a switch. It didn't switch to the inverter like the lithium usually do. But so that's why I kept the lithium ion in the system. Also, I have this battery switch here because when I charge them, I have to switch the voltage, because the supercapacitor, you could charge up to 60 volts, well, 58.9. The lithium ion in this box, you only could charge to 50. So whenever I'm home, I usually switch it to the supercapacitor switch and charge up the super cap to 60 volts or 58 volts. And then when I'm not here, I usually leave it in the lithium and the super cap setting. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work out. It's still early for this super cap. I'm not sure what's the potential, but it actually charges up very fast whenever I put it in the supercapacitor, the solar from the roof. I only got like 4 solar panels. I think it's supposed to be like 1200 watts total. So I'll keep updating you guys, but right now everything is running good. And that's the shunt and the whiz-bang junior, and that is my AC. That's the AC output. It's 240 volts to set up 2 monitors. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching, guys. Take care.